Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting facts fast. Open Task Manager or Resource Monitor and watch system interrupts. Note when CPU jumps and which devices are active. Next, disconnect all external hardware and test one device at a time to isolate a problematic peripheral. If the spike persists, reboot into safe mode. This removes most drivers, so you learn whether third-party drivers cause the load. Once done, make sure to record the behavior in each step. That tells you whether the issue is hardware or software-driven. Now you move into action. Update chipset, storage, audio, and network drivers because outdated drivers often cause interrupts. Then check BIOS or UEFI firmware. Vendor fixes sometimes remove interrupt storms, and document the version before you flash. Use tools like Latency Mon or Windows Driver Verifier to spot drivers causing deferred procedure call or DPC spikes. If a specific driver shows high latency, roll back or reinstall it. Once done, reboot and recheck system interrupts to confirm improvement before continuing. Finish by validating hardware. Swap cables, test RAM with memtest86, and run smart on SSDs/HDD. Failing parts often trigger interrupts. Tweak power options, choose balanced or high performance, and disable USB selective suspend for persistent USB issues, because power state transitions can cause excessive interrupts. If problems remain, perform a clean OS install or bench the machine with known good components. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see high system interrupts after all software steps, treat it as a hardware failure and test components one by one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.